Now let us do one more problem on trigonometric identities. That would be your here sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B equal to 0. It's very simple to show that. Okay, how to show it? Simple. Take LHS part. LHS part. Now starts take LHS part now. Sin A minus sin B by cos A plus cos B plus cos A minus cos B by sin A plus sin B. This is our LHS part. Okay. Now, simple thing is that here simply you can take a LCM of these two fractions. Understood? Take LCM of these two. How to take the LCM? Multiply these two. What do we get? Tell me. Sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B means product of these two plus cos A minus cos B, okay, into cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. Divided by upon cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. This into this. Now do the multiplication over here. This is sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B. If you consider sin A as A and sin B as B, then this is in the form of A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B can be written as what? A square minus B square or not? So here we can write this sin A minus sin B into sin A plus sin B in the form of sin square A minus sin square B. So here this can be written as sin square A minus sin square B plus similarly here also cos A minus cos B into cos A plus cos B. How can we write this? Cos square A minus cos square B or not? A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. So therefore cos square A minus cos square B. So we can write this as cos square A minus cos square B. Means, let me highlight that. It is looking very lengthy, so let me separate these terms. Okay, this is one term and this is one term. Okay, for this the result would be sin square A minus sin square B, and for this the result would be cos square A minus cos square B. Got it? Now this is upon what? Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Now just observe, we can rearrange the terms of numerator part. Don't touch the denominator. Okay, here rearrange the terms of numerator part. Sin square A and cos square A put together. Okay, this term and this term you put together. Then what do you get? Here sin square A plus cos square A. Next, this term and this term you put together. This is minus sin square B minus cos square B. Got it? This and this having minus symbols. Okay. Again upon what? Cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Okay. Now do one thing. I think you can identify here that this is sin square A plus cos square A. You can take minus common from these two terms. What do we get? When we are taking minus in common, symbols will be changed. So here minus and here minus will be converted to plus inside the bracket. Okay, so that would be sin square B plus cos square B. Understood? Both minuses are converted to plus as we took minus in common. Into, so by cos A plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Okay. Now just observe, is this identity or not? This is representing trigonometric identity. Sin square A plus cos square A means sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is 1. And here also sin square B in this bracket, sin square B plus cos square B, this is also identity. This is in the form of sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is also another relation in terms of sin square theta plus cos square theta. So these two are value of this would be 1 and value of this also would be 1. So what can we write here? Value of this is 1 minus value of this also would be 1 minus 1 by cos A, okay, plus cos B into sin A plus sin B. Actually we don't need to write this. Okay, why? Because here 1 got cancelled, we got 0 by cos A plus cos B, okay, into sin A plus sin B. Okay, 0 by something, 0 divided by anything, we get 0. So we got our RHS part. Okay, so therefore we obtained our required result. Actually, when we obtained 0 in numerator part, we don't need to write this denominator because anyways we get 0. But considering step by step method, I wrote it. Okay. Anyhow, here 0 is your answer. Just by taking LCM and simplifying this, you got the answer, right? So this is also one of the problem which is solved based on what? Trigonometric identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay. So therefore we will solve some other problems also in our next video. Hope you guys would have enjoyed this video and understood each and every problem. If you have any problems, if you have any doubts or if you have any suggestions, just put them in comment box. Okay, we'll consider those all comments and we'll try to provide you the content in better levels. So for today, this is it.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.